Tired of watching the stock market from the sidelines, but think investing is too complicated? The truth is, getting started is now simpler than ever, especially if you already use an app like Revolut. Investing in stocks might sound intimidating, but Revolut breaks down the barriers, allowing you to build your portfolio with just a few taps, even with fractional shares. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from opening your investment account to placing your very first trade. We're focusing on making it quick, clear, and actionable. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your investment account. First things first, you need to be eligible and have a standard Revolut account. If you're 18 or over and have the latest app, you're good to go. Open the Revolut app. Look for the Hub section, usually represented by an icon in the bottom right, and tap on Invest. Revolut will guide you through a short onboarding process. This involves confirming your eligibility, your tax information, and answering a few brief questions about your investing knowledge for regulatory compliance. It's quick, typically just a minute or two. Once approved, you'll be directed to the investment section, ready to go. Step 2. Fund your account. Before you can buy stocks, you need money in your investment balance. Revolut makes this seamless. Right on the Invest screen, you'll see your current balance. You can top up directly from your main Revolut currency account. Just tap Add Money or Deposit and transfer the amount you want to invest. Remember, you should only invest money you are prepared to lose. Step 3. Find your first stock. Now for the exciting part, choosing what to invest in. In the Invest section, you can use the search bar to look for specific companies you're interested in. Think major names like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Alternatively, you can browse collections based on popular sectors, best performers, or themed lists. Once you tap on a stock, you'll see its current price, performance charts, and some basic company info. Do your quick research. Step 4. Place your trade. Ready to buy? Tap the Buy button. Revolut offers fractional shares, which means you don't have to buy a whole share. If a stock costs $500, you can still buy $10 worth of it. This is great for building a diverse portfolio without a large upfront capital. Enter the amount of money you want to invest, or the number of shares you wish to buy. You'll see the market value instantly update. Next, you can choose your order type. A market order buys the stock immediately at the current market price. A limit order lets you set a specific price you want to buy it. It only executes if the stock hits that price. For beginners, a market order is often the simplest choice. Review the details, check any fees or commissions which vary based on your plan, and hit Place Order. Congratulations! You are now a stock owner, and your new holding is officially part of your Revolut portfolio. You can monitor your portfolio's performance right in the Invest tab. Keep track of your investments and make adjustments as your strategy evolves. Remember to always keep learning and stay informed about the companies you own. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.